Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back in the video. So I bought this power bank a long time ago, but I wasn't going to make a review on it or unboxing whatever, because it's just a generic power bank, fast charging one. But then I ended up buying another two of them because they're that good. So I thought I might as well do an unboxing, show you guys the product, tell you about it, because I've been using it for a couple of months now. Well, 1 month, over a month. Yeah, these are £10, well £9.99. It's a portable charger, 10,000 milliamp hours, fast charging of 22.5 watts. So that's quick charge 3.0, I believe, for Samsung users. So it's not the super fast charger, but it's fast charge. Super fast charge you need about 30 watts, I believe. Or just go for and if you got the newer Samsung phones, you can do very fast charge. That's 45 watts. That's not on this power bank though. You need to get a more expensive one. For £9.99 though, you can't go wrong with this power bank. So that's why I bought 3 of them, because yeah, I've decided I'm going to chuck out my Samsung one, the expensive one I have, because it's only 5200 milliamp hour, so it only gets about 1 charge out of it on my phone. So I'd rather carry this. It's the same speed, fast charging, double the capacity, and it's cheap as hell. If I lose it, I lose it, you know. Whereas the Samsung one, it cost about £50 when I first bought it, because I bought it when that technology was brand new. So yeah, now technology has moved on. This is dirt cheap now, 10,000, double the capacity. Obviously you're paying for the Samsung brand as well, a bit of the price of that. So yeah, you can forgive that, I guess. So yeah, the main thing is, sorry guys, I was just turning off my alarm, otherwise it would cut my video off. So yeah, so I bought 3 of them already. So one of them I use for my car, one I leave like I carry with me, and yeah, so 2 of them already been unboxed. Got nothing in them. So yeah, this is one I'll unbox for you, brand new one. So very beautiful. I don't think let me check if it comes in different colors. It doesn't come in different colors, but it does come in 2 sizes, the 10,000, which is this one, and the 20,000. The 20,000, the price difference is slightly more, like it's cheaper actually to get 20,000, because 20,000 is £14. This is a tenner, so £4 more, you can double the capacity. But the problem with the 20,000 is it's too fat. Like this is nice and slim. The 20,000 is fat as fuck. So I don't want to get that, because I'm going to be traveling, carrying these around, you know what I mean? So you don't want a heavyweight with you. So this is the power bank, smart and quick charge. I wish they had like a brand name on this, so then it'll be easier to find for you guys, but I'll leave a link in the description. But yeah, so far both of the power banks I've been using now, or 2 of them out of the 3, have been really good. I've not used this one yet because it's brand new. So let's open this. So you do get 3 years warranty. But yeah, so far everything's been smooth. The battery life on this is sick. Like even on my Samsung one, it dies out really quickly. Like I think the cells are used on the Samsung one, they're probably not 100% capacity anymore. Whereas this one's brand new, so the 10,000 milliamp hour works very nicely. I've tested out, so nothing else in there. So you do get USB-C cable to USB-C, I think. Yeah, USB-C to USB-C. Oops. Yalla, come on. Oh wait, I can show you actually. I'm currently charging my other phone with this one. So that's the power bank. So what I'm doing is, on this one, because I've got it brand new, what you want to do is you want to charge this up to 100%. Then you want to waste the charge all the way down to 0. Then you want to charge this up again to 100%. Then you want to waste the charge to 0 again. Then you want to charge up to 100% again, waste the charge all the way to 0, and charge it full again. That will reset the calibration on the battery, so it knows the power bank, so it knows the exact capacity that you need. So with this power bank, this indicator there, the green one, that means it's fast charging. Okay, so here you say, oops, 22.5 watts super fast charge. Very nice. So right now it's charging my Note 8, so that's a fast charging phone, so that's why it's green and it's charging fast. and on your phone it'll tell you it's charging fast. So you got two USB ports, the normal ones. You got the USB-C, so that's what you charge it with, or you can charge it with a micro USB, the old style one. But with the micro USB you can't get fast charge like input. With the normal USB-C you can charge this fast. So this charges really fast actually. This 10,000 milliamp hour power bank, it takes about 2 hours, just over 2 hours I think, or maybe, yeah, about 2 hours. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. Whereas my other power bank I have, that isn't fast charging at all, it takes about 6 hours. And the Samsung one I have, because it's 5200 milliamp hour, but it uses the micro USB cable, and I don't have many of them. So, and I have some devices that need the micro USB, so it's very good that I'm switching over to the USB-C better, because I have more of them chargers about, you know what I mean. So yeah, let's do the unboxing. It's the same device obviously, like I showed you, exact same thing as the one I just showed you. This one's just in use, the other one's in my car. Alright, so 3 of them 30 quid. Can't really go wrong, guys. Cheap as hell. Bloody hell. I hate these screen protectors. That's the first thing I take off when I get a device. Some people like to keep them on, I don't know why. It just looks miles better without it. Look at that screen. So the other one was charged fully 100%. Let's see if this one came here. So they charged this one 100% as well. The first power bank I got, it wasn't charged 100%. Oh, it's a bit dirty there, can you see? I'm gonna give that a wipe down later. Someone spilled some curry on there, you bastards. Okay. Was it Chinese food? I don't know. I can't tell. Okay, so very nice. Look at that. Beautiful power bank, isn't it? It's thin as well. It is slightly heavy, but it's not terrible. And yeah, there's your USB ports like I showed you. So yeah, this can be used for USB-C output as well, this one here. So that can be do input, so you can charge the power bank with it, or you can do output where you charge your device with it backwards that way. Whereas yeah, 10,000 milliamp hour. So the model is Y9, USB-C input obviously. So these are the voltages, as you can see. Very nice, very good, very juicy. Oops. Okay, so the only other thing you get in this is a manual, user manual, which is just how to charge it, and this tells you how to, what I told you. They're screaming outside. Never mind, nobody's screaming outside. It is my mother on the phone to Bangladesh. Okay, so have anyone ever noticed when you're speaking abroad, people just scream on the phone? So yeah, that's what's happening right now. But yeah, so yeah, this just tells you exactly what I told you. You need to charge this up 3 times. So right now it's on 100. So all I do is discharge it to 0, then fully charge it up. So that's 1 cycle. Use it again, charge it up again. That's 2 cycles. Use it again, charge it up again, 3 cycles. And then this will be reset, so know its exact 100% capacity, and it'll last for a long time. So yeah, highly recommend this power bank. Yeah, 3 is good amount, because I'll always have 2 charged up, you know what I mean. So it's very good, very juicy. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see, because I do a lot of variety of videos. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of weird sponsors as well at the moment, so if you want to sponsor me as well, let me know, guys. Because lately I've been getting sponsored by Nivea, Bulldog, random stuff, guys, absolutely random stuff. So yeah, that's crazy, isn't it? Normally I get tech sponsors or car sponsors or something. So yeah, it's very weird, but I don't mind it at all. So yeah, I'm gonna try do more food reviews, but at the moment I'm having car trouble still. Stupid car, bastard car, fuck BMW. So yeah, I have reached out to BMW as well to help, but they didn't want to help at all, even though I spent probably thousands with them. But yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.